Do you consider Lingayen to be clean or dirty po?
Para sa akin lang para sa akin hindi naman ganun kalinis. Pero makikita mo yung mga basura doon tambak talaga.
Do you think Lingayen is more cleaner than other cities and other municipals?
No, hindi po.
Simply promise and you. So hello guys, I am here at the municipality of Lingayen, and Lingayen happens to be the capital of Pangasinan. So today I'll be going around asking people here questions. Maybe a very simple question. I just want to find out, since Lingayen is the capital of Pangasinan, so I really want to find out if Lingayen is tidy, if it is very, very clean. So join me as I ask people questions. Is that okay? Let's go guys. Ako si Promise. Ano pangalan mo?
Ay, ako po si John Mark Ibiray from Kapandanan, Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Thank you. So we are going around asking people if Lingayen, since it's the capital of Pangasinan, we just want to know, do you consider Lingayen to be clean or dirty po?
Malinis naman ang Lingayen po. Nung dating pag upo po ni Mayor Batawil po sa bayan ng Lingayen, luminis po siya. Gumanda po ang Lingayen, naging popular, naging po siya, ang tawag dito. Nag-improve masyado ang Lingayen dahil sa Mayor Batawil. Yung po yung isa sa pinakagusto ko po yung pinaganda po yung itong plaza natin, itong municipality ng Lingayen.
So Lingayen City, do you consider Lingayen City to be clean?
Yeah,
It's clean.
it's clean. Yeah,
So,
yeah.
sa tingin niyo po, paano nila na-maintain yung cleanliness? Like, may mga street sweepers po ba every...
Yeah, yun po yung the best po na nangyari kay pinatupad po ni Mayor Batabil sa Lingayen, yung cleanliness, yung maayos na hindi kung saan-saan po yung naka-parking, yung mga nagbebenta na street vendor din po. Hindi, nakikita nyo naman po tuwing hapon na nandyan po sa gilid lang ng plaza yung mga street vendor na naka-arrange na maayos, na hindi kung saan-saan na nakakalat. Tapos yung naka-segregate din po yung mga basura nila na saan itatapon, yung pwedeng mapakinabangan o hindi.
So yung mga vendors, may sarili lang silang, like yung pwede lang nilang spot.
Yeah, opo.
May boundary lang.
May boundary po sila. So, ganun po ang kagandahan sa Lingayen. Hindi po yung kung saan-saan ka makakakita ng vendor, ganito, ganyan. Dito po. Pag pumunta ka sa, hindi kalat-kalat, hindi tulad ngayon na nandyan po sila, lalakad ka, maraming pagpipilian na pagkain po na kung gusto mo ng tusok-tusok, palamig, shawarma, opo. Nandyan po, naka-arrange po siya. Libot lang po kayo tuwing hapon dito sa Lingayen. Marami po kayo makakain. Yun po.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Salamat. Okay, I'm here with other citizens of Lingayen. I also want to find out from them. Do you consider Lingayen to be clean or dirty?
As a student po na matagal na nag-aaral dito sa Lingayen, I think Lingayen is clean. Tapos kasi may cleaning operations naman dito sa Lingayen po, sir.
So bro, do you think Lingayen is very clean or is very dirty po?
Para sa akin lang para sa akin hindi naman ganun kalinis, pero hindi rin naman ganun karumi. Kasi mayroong mga part na gaya dun sa barangay namin, makikita mo yung mga basura dun tambak talaga. Pero meron din naman yung mga part na malinis talaga, yung part na parang dun sa boulevard malinis dun. Yan.
So as compared to other municipals, like as compared to other municipals or other cities here in Pangasinan, do you think Lingayen is more cleaner than other cities and other municipals?
No, hindi po kasi nung last week lang po, galing po kami ng San Nicolas and ibang-iba po talaga yung doon. Like malinis po. Ang linis talaga, tas kapag dadaan ka po doon, ang dami pong puno, puro puno po pag lahat po ng dadaan, puro puno. Then ang fresh po ng hangin doon. Unlike po dito, ang init-init po. Masyado pong crowded. Unlike sa San Nicolas po ang po doon, payapa po doon. Hindi po siya magganong crowded.
Thank you so I have two beautiful couple here, and I would like them to introduce themselves and Then I will follow up with a question, Paul. So what is your name, Paul?
My name?
Yes.
My name is Jesse Sison,
Okay.
and this is
And I am Marilu Saison.
Okay, thank you so much. So where are you from, Paul?
uh, in here, or
Yeah, and your nationality,
Okay.
whatever.
I'm a Filipino
Filipino.
by birth, but now we're residing in Canada, and we came here for vacation. Yeah.
Sana all. So since you guys have been here in Lingayen, Lingayen happens to be the provincial capital of Pangasinan.
Yeah, yeah.
So do you guys consider Lingayen to be a clean city as compared to others?
Yes.
The way I see it now, yes, very much. Since he was the mayor, I think this is his second term and last term. I mean, Lingayen has changed a lot since I was here.
Wow.
Changed a lot, clean, and a lot of structures have been put up, and very nice, very nice. I'm telling you,
That's
different. Have you been to the capital yet?
Manila?
No, capital.
The capital, yeah.
Yeah,
I
you been there?
was there last Christmas, Paul.
Yeah, it changed a lot too because they put a fountain at the back, and it's very nice. Yes, very much.
Ate, ikaw, what about you? What do you think about Lingayen?
Lingayen is magandang lugar. And it's clean and it's progressing.
That's very, very good. So, as compared to other cities here within the province, do you consider Lingayen to be the cleanest in Pangasinan?
Yes,
Yes.
very much. Yes, yes.
Yes.
So, you guys have been around other cities and municipalities here in Pangasinan?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay. So after interviewing the locals, we now have here our public safety officers. So, sir, ang tingalan niyo, sir?
Kiri Kabonay,
Si Kai, sir.
Jerry Cruz.
Okay. Okay. So, si Kai taga-bantay dyan to, sir.
Oh, ako ma'am, ako yung naka-duty dito ma'am. Ito ma'am, nandiyan po siya sa nagta-traffic po siya.
Okay. Sa tingin niyo, malinis po ba ang Lingayen?
Opo, malinis na malinis. 100% ma'am, malinis na malinis po.
So, ano po yung mga ginagawa niyo dito para ma-maintain yung kalinisan?
Po ma'am, kailangan tignan-tignan po yung mga basura. Pag may mga basura, pwede mo nang damputin, wag mo nang iasa sa mga personal natin na tagawalis. Pwede nang gano'n para lalong luminis po yung kapaligiran.
Okay, thank you po. Thank you.